Want to run Llama 3 locally while keeping DSPy's simple interface? You'll see how to install SGLang, launch the Meta Llama 3 8B instruct server on port 7501, and connect it to DSPy as a local OpenAI-compatible endpoint. The 3 commands handle everything from dependencies to model hosting.
Pip install SGLang all. Pip install flashinfer ihttps://flashinfer AI/WHL/ku121/torch2 q to visible devices equals 0 Python SGLang. Launch server port 7501, model path Meta Llama 3 8B instruct.
This demonstrates the local language model serving pattern using SGLang as the backend infrastructure. The code shows the complete setup sequence: installing required packages, launching a local server with a specified Llama 3 model, and exposing it on a designated port. The distinctive aspect is the explicit GPU device selection and model path specification in the server launch command. The pattern works by creating a self-contained serving environment where the model runs locally rather than through a cloud API. The installation commands prepare the necessary dependencies, including flashinfer for optimized inference, while the server launch command binds the model to a specific GPU and network port. This creates an isolated serving instance that can be accessed programmatically through the specified port. This approach matters because it provides full control over model execution environment and hardware utilization. The explicit GPU device selection and port specification shown in the code demonstrate how to manage resource allocation and network accessibility. The trade-off visible here is the requirement for manual server management compared to cloud APIs, but with benefits of direct hardware access and potentially better performance optimization. Let's break it down line by line.
Pip install SGLang all.
Installs the SGLang package with all optional dependencies. The all suffix is pip's standard syntax for including extras.
Pip install flashinfer ihttps://flashinfer AI/WHL/ku121/torch2
Installs the flashinfer package from a CUDA-specific wheel repository. The I flag overrides PyPy default index, pulling precompiled binaries optimized for CUDA 12.1 and PyTorch 2.4 to match the GPU setup.
q to visible devices equals 0 Python SGLang. Launch server port 7501, model path Meta Llama 3 8B instruct.
This launches the SGLang server on port 7501 using GPU 0, loading the specified Meta Llama 3 8B instruct model. The q to visible devices equals 0 environment variable explicitly assigns the process to the first GPU, while model path points to the Hugging Face model identifier. This single command handles both server initialization and model loading in one step. Local model integration pattern. The code demonstrates installing SGLang with flashinfer acceleration and launching Meta Llama 3 8B instruct as a local server on port 7501. You must include the empty string API key equals parameter when connecting to local endpoints, even though no authentication occurs. The same DSPy LM constructor works for both local and remote models, using identical parameter names for consistency.
The context that contains no tools wields them all.